Hello and welcome back to my channel. So in today's video, we'll be talking about probability and we are going to solve the question on the screen. But before we do that, please, if you are new to this channel, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to the channel. The question says, a box contains 6 red apples and 4 green apples. If 2 apples are picked at random without replacement, what is the probability that both apples are red? That's number one. Then number two, what is the probability that one apple is red and the other is green? So the first thing to do is to write out the parameters. So for green apples, we have 4. Red, we have 6. Then total is equal to 10. So question 1 says, what is the probability that both are red? So the probability that both are red, that means the probability that the first pick, that is when we pick first, we are picking red. So first is red. And the probability that the second pick is also red. Okay. So probably that the first is red, that's 6 because we have 6 green apples. If you count, we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So that's 6. Then the total number of apples is 10. Okay. And okay, this and remember under probability, and is always multiplication or is addition. So and that's multiplication. Probability that the second is red. But before we do this, remember we've picked one red at random. So let's assume we've picked. So let's assume that our first pick, we picked this during our first pick. So this is out. So probably that the second is red. So how many red apples do we have now? We have 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. So we have 5 over the total. The total now is 9. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So we can simplify this. So 5, 1, 5 and 10, 2, 2 here, 1, 3 here, 3, 3 here, 1, 3, 3. So we have 1 over 3. Okay. So the probability that both will be red, okay, is going to give us 1 over 3. The second question says, what is the probability that one apple is red and the other is green? So that is the probability that we have one red and one green. So for us to get that, it means the probability that the first pick is going to be red and the second is green, or first is green and the second is red. Okay, so for us to have one green and one red, it is either the first one is red while the second is green, or the first is green while the second is red. Okay, so it is one of these conditions. So the first is red, that means we still have red apple, we still have 6 red apples. That's 6 over 10. Okay, that's the total. And remember we said and is multiplication. Okay, back to our apples. We've picked one at random and we assume we picked red. So this is out. Then the second is green. So for green, we still have 4 green apples. 1, 2, 3, 4. So that's 4 over the total. The total is going to give us 9. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Okay, or remember we said or is addition. Now we erase this, okay, because we are starting all over again. Okay, first is green, that's 4 over 10. Why? Because we have 4 green apples and the total number of apples we have is 10. And okay, sorry, we've picked one green. Let's assume we picked this, so this is out. And that's multiplication again. Second is red. Okay, we have not touched our red, so we still have six. Six over the total now is 9. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So 6 over 9. We can simplify. 3 here to 3 here will give us 3. 2 in 4 to 2 here 5. Okay, so we have 4 over 15 plus the same thing here. 3 here 2, 3 here 3, 2 here 1, 2 here 5. So we have 4 over 15. So the LCM here is 15. So that's 4 plus 4. And that will give us 8 over 15. Okay. So the probability of picking one green and one red is going to give us 8 over 15. Okay. So we have come to the end of this class. So if you have learned one thing or the other in this video, don't forget to subscribe, like, and share this video. Thank you and bye bye.